All right, so I do want to talk about a crypto that could potentially be the next Zcash, the next Dash. These are two cryptocurrencies that have been around since 2014. You guys can see they're a currency that pretty much went pretty much dead. People thought that they could never make a comeback, not even make like a few 100%. Now, I'm not saying that these tokens will go back to all-time high, but I do believe that there is some potential in the near future investing in these tokens right here. And the token that I want to talk about is Digibyte, DGB right here. The markup cap's currently sitting on $192 million. Volume traded is currently sitting at $36 million. Okay, this is top 300 token. Now, Dash not too long ago was actually a top 200 token right here on CoinGecko. And this thing, I did make a video when it was listed at $42, currently sitting at $128. And I believe it peaked to as high as, yeah, $150. Okay, currently sitting at 128. Yesterday, we did go down to as low as $97. The same thing with Zcash. Zcash has been absolutely printing this thing in the last month from 130 all the way to as high as $530. With the market cap sitting at $8.5 billion. This thing also not too long ago was not even in the top 100. If we have a look right here at the 3 month, Zcash was sitting at a market cap of $676 million, okay? Under $1 billion market cap. The same thing with Dash. Dash, if we have a look right here at the 1 year and we have a look at the market cap, this thing was sitting at a $200 million market cap. And now we have Digibyte right here, currently sitting at a market cap in the last, let's do last 3 months or even the last year, at a market cap of only $160 million, okay? In the last year, this thing has been bouncing between 200 million to 100 million. I believe that we could definitely see at least a 2x return in the near future, the way things have been playing out. Before I have a look at Digibyte technical analysis, I am trading and longing Bitcoin right here on BYDeFi. The link will be in the description below. You could get a $2,000 bonus if you guys sign up with my link. And on top of that, you could get access to my free VIP signal. You guys can see right here, we are currently up 35% on our Bitcoin trade, $23,000 in counting. In my opinion, we will see a breakout above $104,000 today. Anyways, going into DGB right here, here's the interesting part on the 2-hour time frame, okay? We could definitely come back and retest 1 cent right here. We did have a few come back and retest testing the EMA ribbon, which is okay. It's nothing bearish whatsoever. 1.89%. We got Dash up 24% and Zcash up 10%. So the interesting thing about this is that the only cryptos in green today are these cryptos, the ones that are from 2014. Hence why I made a video a couple days ago about Zcash. I made a video about Dash, and now I'm making a video about DGB, Digibyte. Okay, so this could definitely be a 2x, maybe a 3x from here. The market cap is still very, very low, sitting at $192 million. This thing can definitely make multiple X's. It could definitely go back to $1 billion. That would be approximately 5x from here, which is obviously fantastic. Currently in this market, currently in this bear market or whatever, or this correction, 5x is literally freaking amazing. I mean, I don't even know what to say. So if we have a look right here at DGB also on the 1-hour time frame, we could actually see that every time we come back and become oversold right here on the 1-hour time frame, we usually have mega pumps, okay? Or not mega pumps, but we usually have big moves to the upside, okay? We saw a big move right here, all the way from 0.006. That was a 57% move. We saw another one right here. That was another 55% move. We saw another one right here, which was another 33% move. And then we could potentially see another 30 to 40% move, okay? I believe that the next target will be around 2 cents, which is approximately 90% move from here. I really, really do believe that we will see that. Maybe we come back down little, get a nice little fake out. We're probably going to see something like that. People are going to be like, oh, we're breaking support. Let's panic. This is a very, very important area. That's it. Let's short. But what's going to happen is that we're most likely going to see a fake out and then come to the upside. Now, the scary thing about this is that if we have a look right here at the 3-hour time frame, we are in a falling wedge. But you know what? Falling wedges lately have just not been accurate. I'm sorry to say. I've been, doing a bunch of falling wedge, a bunch of rising wedge, and sorry, we have a rising wedge, not a falling wedge. And every time we see this pattern right here, usually we come back and retest, the bottom of the wedge, right? With the bottom of the rising wedge right here, usually we come where we started. But in this case, I do think that we could see a breakout, but we need to see a strong breakout and a strong closure. I would probably say above 16. Because we can't keep having this pattern repeating itself right here, where we're seeing higher high and lower highs, and where things are getting, very, very small smaller and smaller and smaller. So this is the negative part about this coin right here. But we have seen them on Zcash. Obviously, we saw these falling wedges on Zcash. We saw the sorry, the rising wedge. We saw it on Dash as well right here. I mean, if you want to count this like that, and pretty much that's about it. So we've seen a bunch of these falling wedges, and it just kept on pumping, kept on exploding with literally no correction. So you guys can see right here, we did break this nice little bull flag. Beautiful, beautiful pump. We're most likely going to make all-time highs and keep climbing from there. But DGB, in my opinion, is the next big mover. Don't fade this one. My stop loss would most likely be below this area right here. If we do come below the falling wedge and we do come below 8.8, I mean, yeah, that would be bad news bears, but I don't think we're going to come down below that. I am only buying on spot. I do want to clarify that I'm not using leverage. If you are using leverage when you're trading this token, you're going to get absolutely demolished. That is my video. If you guys do like it, don't forget to smash subscribe. Join BY DeFi. Links in the description below. You could get $2,000 bonus. Peace out, fam.